unleashing the power of Node.js in app development. 1. It's your ticket to full-stack development. With Node.js, JavaScript's not just for the front end, it's also rocking the server side. 2. Want real-time applications? Node.js is your ally. It's perfect for chat apps, online gaming, and live streaming platforms. 3. Scalability is Node.js's middle name. It's lightweight and can handle a horde of simultaneous connections. 4. Node.js is a darling of microservices architecture, letting you break down complex applications into smaller, digestible services. 5. It's a cross-platform champion, allowing your apps to run on various operating systems. 6. Node.js boasts a rich ecosystem of libraries and packages, speeding up your development process. 7. It's backed by a large and active developer community, ready to lend a hand when you're in a bind. And 8. It's a popular choice for building RESTful and GraphQL APIs, the lifeblood of many modern apps. Remember, Node.js might not be suitable for every app, and the choice of technology should align with your project's requirements, your team's expertise, and the scalability and performance demands of your application. Consider the strengths and weaknesses of Node.js in your app development process.